Hi, this video is to inform you about a crash course, the CAT 25 crash course. So those are starting a little late, so can start with the crash course month of August. We've been training students for more than 28 years, so fairly comfortable with the exam, the way to crack it, how to go about it. We believe that 4 months is sufficient to crack the examination, provided you can give enough time, at least 4 hours a day. And if you can give that much time, sure, you can prepare properly with proper guidance. I'm sure you'll be able to do your best. So we have courses for CAT 25. Crash course is a part of it. Okay. Apart from crash course, we do have the 100% batch, the mentorship course, the DLR 1000, Con 1000 if you all want practice. But yeah, crash course is a part of it. We're talking about a crash course out here. So course will include 150 hours of live lectures. So will be conducted by me and Rochelle mainly, covering the syllabus revision, even the basics will be covered in this. So if you can give enough time, I'm sure you will be able to do well. Will tell you individually what you need to prepare, how do you need to go about preparing. So recordings of the videos will be provided to you, so you can revise, go through it, etc. Soft copy of notes, the entire notes. So you have two types of notes. One is a soft copy of notes and a separate notes called for videos, in terms of videos. This will cover the entire syllabus, plus it will have practice and other lessons. So you will have enough material that is there to prepare. Apart from that, you will have 30 full-length CAT mocks, section test, topic wise test. Doubt solving sessions will be there, and you will get individual guidance and mentoring by me. So I'll be guiding you on an individual basis as to what and how to go about preparing. You can always contact me for any guidance that you require. I'll be always available for you. So while join us, we all actually lectures are taken. So you have a continuity. So we have been training students for more than 20 years each. So we know how to go about cracking the exam. So we can guide you better, and we'll be taking across the lectures. We'll know your strengths, weaknesses, etc. So we have few students, so therefore individual attention is provided, individual mentoring and guidance, not only in terms of how to prepare, but in terms of your mock strategy. Once you write your mock, to give you feedback in terms of where you go wrong, where you go right, what you need to do to prepare, what should be your focus areas, all that will be provided to you. The best methods, we ourselves have cracked the exam, so I know what are the best ways to solve each and every question. So to get you best results, we will help you and guide you with regards to it. Right, you can go to prep.patikandra.com to enroll, or you can go to 9821314788, WhatsApp or call us, or email at support@coinacademy.com to get in touch with us. Right, thank you.